Hi, I'm playing, I'm playing teardown. I don't know why I said that so stupid. Uh, but yes, I am in fact playing teardown, and I'm gonna try doing the Bell V22 Osprey, cause that's a thing now. And look how cool it looks. I already knew how cool it looks, in real life, but like, they mastered its look in game too. But there's one teensy problem. And no, it's not the fact it's literally falling apart right now. That actually doesn't happen usually. Let me just hop in here real quick. Ah, what was that? Oh wait, hold on. So basically, I don't know how to pilot it. I know how to turn on its everything. Okay, listen, I know how to pilot it, but I don't at the same time. Like, look, I can do this and stuff. But watch this, I barely even know how to pilot this thing. See? I don't know how to pilot it. Which is why that's not the main course of the video. The main course of the video... I suck. The main course of the video is just playing around and having fun, as it always is. There's no really plot to it or anything, but next time I do, it will hopefully have some plot. Let's try this. Oh, this thing is risky. That scared me. It's funny how, like, when I'm with my friends on the bus or something, I usually don't act like this, but, like, because my friends know I'm an idiot, I act normal, but, like, when I'm on camera like this, try to act like a normal person. But when I'm around my friends, they know I'm a total idiot, so I act normal. So, oh, here's a piece of... Get out of here right now! That was lame. Hold on, let me try that. Get out of here right now! I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you. You're annoying, and you are weird. Ha! Okay, completely ignoring the crashed V-22 Osprey over there. Let's retry this. Okay, I'm gonna spawn in this house. That's dumb. Okay. By the way, this is gonna be a short video. FYI. I'm looking for something fun to do. Oh, I know something. Okay, I gotta get out of here. What? I told you that thing was terrifying. Ow! Sir, you know how annoying and dumb you are? And what I'm about to just do to you is gonna blow your mind. That's loud. Why did I die? Alright, sir. Okay, this is getting a bit loud. Okay. Sorry about that. This is a fire beat. that'll be all for today, even though that was not much at all.
Bye.
Ah!